I was a ghost, I was alone. 두어진 길 속에 given the throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I'm meant to be. I lived two lives, tried to pick both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Caught a black child, 'cause I got too wild, but now that's how I'm getting paid. 끝없이 on stage, I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We dreaming hard, we came so far, now I believe we're going up, it's our moment. You know together we're glowing, gonna be golden. Up with our voices, going to get you so often, gonna be golden. I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. Our time, no fears, no lies, that's who we're born to be. Waited so long to break these walls down, to wake up and feel like me. Put these patterns all in the past now, and finally live like the girl they all see. No more hiding, now be shining like I'm born to be. 'Cause we are hunters, voices strong, and I know I believe we're going up, it's our moment. You know together we're glowing, gonna be golden.
Agents ng NBI. So, bigyan ko lang kayo ng background about when I joined the NBI. I joined the NBI in 1999. Bata pa po ako noon. Ngayon, bata pa rin naman eh. Sumali sa CSIIG. Kasi PNP, Force Multiplier eh. I don't know much about yung CSIIG.
Thank you so much, sir. Ayan. So at this point of time, let's call on the marketing manager of
Pakikialaman nyo lang dahil dalawa na yun ang doon. Okay? Huwag mo pakikialaman yung doon dahil dalawa na yun ang doon. Oras na pinakialaman mo yun at tumingin ka doon, yung nandun, titirahin kayo.
Oo.
Walang support sa inyo. Dahil lahat kayo.
Kailangan bantayan nyo, left and right. Left and right talaga. Wag yung isang yung isang posisyon na dapat left and right yung titignan nyo. Kasi susugod eh.
Gamay ko na yan. Alam ko na yung strategy dyan. Ang laro natin, hindi possible. Tax is tactical. Save nyo yung bala nyo. Huwag nyo iba rin lang hindi nyo nakikita.
Oh.
Okay.
Pag
For example, may tumakbo. Nakita nyo kalaban ng tumakbo. Ha? Balik na rin yung balik nyo. Balik na rin yung kasi. Putokin nyo pero walang bala. Walang bala yun. Ngayon marinig nyo na. Hindi siya makakatakbo. Balik na rin yung
Teka, titira mo na ako rin. Kaya, salamat po. Bakit po lang kayo? Kasi hindi ako nakakatanggap sa school nito. Bike. Sa school, hindi ka rin makatanggap nito.
Magulo!
Parang siya, always absent
malis
ka.
na.
Sino ba yun?
Game.
Si Carlo. First time ko nakatanggap ng kasama. Si Rod.
Game.
Ayan. 1, 2, 3.
Hold your medal! Hindi ka sa inyo.
Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you. Let 'em see we're crazy, I don't care about that. Put your hand in my hand, baby, don't ever look back. Like the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this thing together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Take it to the good times, see it through the bad times. Whatever it takes is what I'm gonna do. Let 'em see we're crazy. What do they know? Put your arms around me, baby, don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this thing together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. Ooh, all that I need is you. All that I ever need. All that I want to do is hold you forever, ever and ever. We can build this thing together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us.
Sa ating po mga magigiting at masisipag na miyembro ng Community Service International Group ng Kuwait Chapter sa pamumuno ni Mark Fernandez. Happy 5th year anniversary and congratulations sa induction ng mga bagong miyembro ng inyong chapter. Mabuhay po kayo at maraming salamat sa tulong nyo sa ating mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na sa mga overseas Filipino workers. Happy 5th year anniversary. At meron pa akong sorpresa sa inyo na babati sa inyo. Ang ating idol.
Happy 50th anniversary po sa inyong lahat at sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng inyong organisasyon at sa mga bagong miyembro. Congratulations! Happy 50th anniversary!
Isang maalab na pagbati po sa CSIIG Kuwait Maligayang ikalimang taong anibersaryo po sa inyong lahat. Lalong-lalo na sa pamumuno ni partner Sir Rodel. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Salute!
Hello, CSI IG Kuwait. Wow, it feels like it was only yesterday. I can still remember when we had the first anniversary, the first oath taking. We were wearing DIY uniforms. Yung ilan sa amin, kasi hindi nakahabol ng shipment, I printed stickers for both the back and front of our black polos. Ako din ang nag-print ng mga certificates and oath-taking papers. And so are with the following events. Ako na rin yung nag-print sa mga ilan-ilan lang naman, not all. And then, yung ginagamit na application form, I hope yun pa rin. The soft copy of it, ako yung gumawa. And there was a time, nagkaroon ng donation for used clothes. I drove around Kuwait and nangolekta ako ng mga used clothes from friends. Dinala ko sa isang vacant flat sa Hawali. After the collection, I need to collect again the boxes all by myself. Kasi gagamitin na yung flat. Yun yung same flat na kung saan kami nag-practice ng sayaw. It was a dusty flat, but everyone had fun. Yon. No, the reason why I mentioned this, it's because to imply that we have our own sources, we have our own ways, our small ways, we have our own spaces to contribute, to participate. Kahit hindi inuutusan, kahit hindi nagre-request. Initiative, and that is what we call commitment to the purpose and mission of the organization. And this is where the spirit of charity works starts. At iyon ang meron ng CSIIG. It is also the reason why
Lalagyan ko ng filter to. Yes! Ayun na, naka-video na yan, ha?
Bayan ko yan sa pag-absent. Bayan ko yan sa pag-absent.
Okay lang.
Madam
Mariam, umabsent ka na, umabsent. Dagan, tanong. Kailan ibibigay? Kailan daw ibibigay?
kahit ngayon.
Galing na. Treasurer, link. Kasi bukas ko makakalimutan eh. Happy Independence Day. Ha? Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day, ha? Sige. Okay. Next month, huwag kinumati ng meeting, okay lang? Basta next year, oo. Basta next year, ulit sagot mo. Okay. Ano yun? Magkano yun? 100 saka? Pera na, naging bato pa eh. Ayun na nga. Check, send mo na. Kasi pag pinagpabukas nyo pa yan, wala na, makakalimutan yan. Oo. Pairamin nyo salamin, di mabasa. Salamin.
Ayan, ayan, malinaw, malinaw.
Wala nang net.
Net. Internet. Hotspot. Ha? Hindi, ayun yung treasurer natin eh.
Naiinip na siya, madam. Gawin niya na 150. Naiinip na, naiinip.
It's the fire.